Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download the TD app and log in. You can get quick and secure access to your TD Canada trust checking, savings, credit, and investment accounts. Make credit card payments, view transactions, and deposit checks with just a few taps. Simply scan the QR code with your phone and download the app right to your device. Manage accounts and transactions from anywhere at any time. You can use the app to quickly check account balances while on the move. Also discover how easy paying bills, scheduling payments, and setting up reminders can be. Use the TD app to securely send and receive money using Interac e-transfer within Canada and to over 200 plus countries with TD Global Transfer. Automatic payments take the hassle out of remembering your credit card bills. Learn more. If your TD Access card is misplaced, lost, or stolen, lock it instantly through the TD app. Secure your credit card by locking it in the TD app and call 1-800-983-8472 for a replacement. TD Authenticate is an app that generates a special security verification code. This is an alternative layer of security to protect your accounts when logging in to EasyWeb or web broker. Interac Verification Service with Interac 4 Verification Service, you can securely prove who you are quickly and easily by using your bank login to access select services. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.